In previous video, I have discussed arithmetic progression. Students who has not watched it, watch the video. Link is provided in the description below. Now, in this video, I will discuss pair of linear equation in two variables. What is linear equation? Linear equation in two variables, an equation in form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers, a, b not equal to 0 is called a linear equation in two variables. If a or b will 0, then this equation will convert in one variable. Now, we will take a pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. A pair of linear equation is said to be consistent if it has at least one solution and is said to be inconsistent if it has no solution. Now we will compare the coefficient of x, y and constant term to find the conditions for solvability of pair of linear equations. Condition number 1, if a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2, lines will be intersecting and there is a unique solution. Pair of equations will be consistent. If a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2, there will be coincident lines, means lines will overlap to each other. There will be infinitely many solutions. Pair of equations will consistent and dependent. If a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2, lines will be parallel, no solution, pair of equations will inconsistent. There are two methods to solving the linear pair of equations. First is graphical method, second algebraic method. There are three parts of algebraic method. One is substitution method, second elimination method, and third cross multiplication method. I will take one example to solve all four methods. Example is 3x plus y is equals to minus 1, 2x minus 3y is equals to minus 8. We have put some values of x, then we will find some values of y. If in the first equation x0, then y minus 1. If x1, y minus 4. If x minus 1, y is equals to 2. Then the next equation 2x minus 3y is equals to minus 8. If the value of y is 0, then x is equal to minus 4. If the value of x minus 1, y is equals to 2. In both the solutions, minus 1 comma 2 is a common value. So the lines will intersect at the point minus 1 comma 2. Now we will plot the lines and we will find that the lines will intersect at the point minus 1 comma 2. So the solution of this pair of equation is x is equal to minus 1 and y is equals to 2. Students, in exam, don't forget to write the equation of line on the graph. Now we will discuss the same example by substitution method. In substitution method, you have to put the values of x in term of y or y in term of x from first equation to second or from second equation to first. Now from first equation on putting y is equals to minus 1 minus 3x in equation second. 2x minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3x is equal to minus 8. After solving this equation, we will find the value of x is equal to minus 1. On putting value of x in equation first, y is equals to minus 1 plus 3 is equals to 2. You will find the same solution if you will solve the question by any method. But in my view, the elimination method is the easiest method in these four methods. Now we will discuss the elimination method. 3x plus y is equals to minus 1 and 2x minus 3y is equals to minus 8. There are two equations. You have to make the coefficients are equal, may be possible of x or y. Then we will add or subtract the equation to find the solutions. To make the coefficient of y equal, multiply equation 1 by 3. Then it will become 9x plus 3y is equals to minus 3. Now we will add it to the equation second. 9x plus 3y is equals to minus 3 and 2x minus 3y is equals to minus 8. 3y cancel by minus 3y. 9x plus 2x is 11x is equals to minus 11. X is equal to minus 1. On putting the value of x in equation first, minus 3. 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus y is equals to minus 1. Y is equals to minus 1 plus 3, then y is equals to 2. Now we will discuss fourth and last method, cross multiplication method. Let two equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Write x, y and 1. Then first we will write the coefficient of y, second constant term, third coefficient of x, and fourth again we will write coefficient of y. Then you will find x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equals to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equals to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now we will use this method in example. The example is 3x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0 and 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equals to 0. Write x, y1. First write the coefficient of y, which is 1 and minus 3. Then constant term 1, 8. Then coefficient of x 3, 2. Then again write the coefficient of y 1 minus 3. Now in the bracket I have written, we will solve this system in such manner. If these numbers are a, b, c, d, then a multiplied by d minus c multiplied by b. Then x upon 1 multiplied by 8 minus 3 multiplied by 1. Y upon 1 multiplied 2 minus 8 multiplied by 3 equal to 1 upon 3 into minus 3 minus 2 into 1. X upon 8 plus 3 is equals to y upon 2 minus 24 is equals to 1 upon minus 9 minus 2. On solving it, x is equal to minus 1 and y is equals to 2. In the next video, I will discuss some problem based on these four methods. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel to support my